Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna use this simple ingredient to make a super tasty soup. First of all, get rid of this tomato skin. Are you tolerate the tomato skin in your dishes? Leave your comments. I'd like to know. Be careful using a knife. You can use scissors. Use boiling water. I mix with these canned tomatoes. Some green onion. Heat the pot with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Use 2/3 of the green onions. High heat. Cook all tomatoes for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add 3 cups of chicken stock and 1 cup of water. I don't know why, but my grandma told me that this way egg tastes better. To season in this soup, we put ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, ½ teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Last but not least, put the rest of the green onions. Smells so good. You can see the texture of this soup. It's so easy to make. Please give it a try. Please give a like if you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Saving and sharing with your friends. Ring the bell, then you won't miss my new videos. Thank you so much for watching.